Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to enable guys super power saving mode in oppo phone device. Friends, you want to enable your super power saving mode settings, so how to enable and how to use it in oppo phone device super power saving mode. First of all guys, open your phone setting, and guys you can enable from your search bar. Also guys, search here guys super power saving mode. So guys, direct guys you can enable from here, but guys I will show you guys from your phone setting. So guys, open your phone setting and guys click on guys your oppo phone battery setting. Then guys you can see first is power saving. Then you want to enable power saving, you can enable and you can disable from here. Friends, you want to check your battery uses, so friends you can check your battery uses today. Friends, battery uses you can check yesterday guys battery uses, and 2 days ago battery uses guys you can check from here. So guys, you can see your super power saving mode. So how to enable super power saving guys, we will tap here and we will give permission, don't ask again, and turn on it. As you can see, super power saving mode will enable, and guys only guys 4 apps, and guys only 6 apps guys, 2 apps guys we can also add. So I will add guys this file, and guys then I will add guys app and radio. So guys only 6 apps guys I can use. After guys you can see back button and this home button will not work, I cannot swipe also. Only 6 apps guys we can use after enable super power saving mode. Friends, you can see, so like that guys we can enable super power saving. As you can see, battery can last up to 70 hours and 29 minutes. And guys, now let's see how to exit, means how to disable the super power saving. Guys, you can see right side two icons. This icon guys show guys you can select, and guys you can remove this app. So get done option. Friends, click on left side, means exit super power saving. So guys we click on exit super power saving. So guys your super power saving mode will disable, means that we will exit it. After exit, friends, you can see you can check your battery settings. Super power saving mode is disabled. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to disable super power saving mode, how to enable and how to use, and last how to disable it. So bye bye guys. We will meet on the next video. Thanks for watching the video guys.